minutes.
Draft BS is when you're all in, you can't be outplayed. That's what I'm saying, man. When it makes the decisions a lot easier once you get all your chips and get ahead and go. Derek Daddio said, where's the 1025 game? So we stream it about once a month. It doesn't always go. And when it does, sometimes it's
Like on a whim, they'll just
like we don't even know what's going to happen. They all text each other and they just show up in the room and they say, hey, we want to play 1025. But it doesn't go every day. We try to stream it about once a month and we kind of put the game together in advance.
get a stream going, but as far as it going in the room, it just kind of happens on a whim, man. They show up, they want to play. You know, we get them a dealer and 1025 goes.
Why stream this game though? Our 2-2 games have been some of our most enjoyable ones to watch. I mean, they're pretty wide with the action.
And seems to be looser than some of the other bigger games, so 2-2 seems to be a lot of fun. Plus, there's usually good Table Talk. They're not that serious, so 2-2 is usually pretty fun watch. Also, like, we like to stream these lower stakes games because that's what everyone's playing. You know, there's such a small percentage of poker players that can afford to play 1025. Like, I
I don't know about you guys, but I want to watch the games that are going on in my local card room. You know what I mean? I want to see how the guys that I'm playing against are playing. I like to watch 1025 every once
so I'll do and see what the best are doing, obviously. But, you know, we like to stream the full spectrum. We stream 2-2, 2-5, 5-5 PLO.
and 5, 10, 25.